Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today I have an unboxing of Stitch Fix that just came in. I'm a little bit worried because this box is in rough shape. So I just got it and yeah, I'm a little worried. I hope there's like no lizards or anything in here because, you know, living in Florida and having a box on your doorstep that comes in like that, you just never know. If you have watched my channel, you may know that I've had a lizard come out on my desk during a live before. So this would not be the first time. Let's hope it's not the second time. All right, I'm going to open this box and let's get started. Okay, I have everything out of the box, and let's see, this is only my second time getting Stitch Fix, so it does come with this envelope. Thanks for letting us style you, and it talks about the prices here, so I'm going to put that to the side here, so I'm ready to let you know. I'll let you know everything that's in the box and how much they are. Let's see. I do have credit from last time too, so the last time I got the box and this time it had this in there, and I'm guessing that's just like one, maybe I get an item from each thing and that kind of gives ideas what goes with it. But yeah, let's check it out. Let's see. So let's see, instantly buy items from your curated shop. So I guess you can just go and look. And then this bag is to send back whatever I choose not to buy. I believe if you buy all of it, you get an extra like 25% off. Is that what it says? Yeah. Shipping is free, and yeah, buy all items and get 25% off. So that's really good. Okay, well, are you ready? First things first, let's see. What is this? Oh, it's like a hoodie. Oh, I like this hoodie. I hope it fits. I think last time I returned some shirts because they were too big, so I might need to switch to a large, but I'm going to give this extra large a try. I love the color. I do actually like that it's lightweight, and it has the pocket in the front, so that's, you know, kind of neat as well. Okay. And they came wrapped up like this. That one had just fallen out. So far, no lizards, so that's exciting. Okay, let's see. I've got some pants. Do those look super long to you? I'm going to have to try these ones on. Let's see. They are, it says size 32, but definitely not a man's 32 because I'm way too big for that. But I kind of like, it looks like it's got like a nice curvy shape, and I do like the bottoms. I like to wear like chunky shoes sometimes when I'm not in flip-flops. So yeah, I can't wait to try these jeans on. They are stretchy. I can feel the material's kind of stretchy. And yeah, I like them. All right. Oh, I can't wait to try this stuff on this time. I mean, last time too. It was more shorts and things. Shorts and a tank top, I believe. Okay, let's see. Oh, here's a tank top. I did mention that I really do like tank tops. I'm not sure about pink. I'm going to have to try this on. I have a funny feeling that this is going to make me look like I've got a baby in my tummy, but just the way it's here. Maybe not. I don't know. Just something I'll have to try on. I don't have much of this color, so I hope it works. But I'd probably love it if it was blue. This is why I need help styling, because I'm awful. Okay, and pretty much this says Kasie because it is a black tank top. I do tend to like the black tank tops. Little different neckline. That's interesting, so I don't have anything like that. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys how much they are. All right, well, I'll show you the last one, and then I'll tell you. So, and the last one is this. Now, at first glance, it's really kind of sheer and thin, and I'm kind of like, I don't know if it's worth it, but really living in Florida, that might be kind of nice, right? To have something kind of cute and flowy. So let me know in the comments. What do you think? I'm going to try these on and let you know which ones I decide on. Hopefully I'll post pictures if I can, get them on and they all fit. All right, let's look. The jeans are Can, K-A-N-C-A-N. Ivy bootcut mid-rise jeans. It says the color is indigo. And those are $58. So a little bit on the pricey side, but for jeans, I don't know. For a big curvy girl, sometimes jeans are just a little bit more expensive. Skies are blue. Edgar border print knit top. I'm going to guess this one. Right? No. What one is that one? Let's see. See, I'm terrible with stuff. Well, this would be a print top. Haha, skies are blue. So this one here is $54. So this box in general is a lot more expensive than my first one. But my first one had things like jewelry and stuff like that. So I went back in and said no more of those. So this one was $54. Jeans were $58. Let's see. Montaigne Glaren crochet lace detail knit black. Okay, so that's this black one here is $44. So this one is $44 right here. And that leaves me with the hoodie. And the hoodie is $48. This one here. So $48. So I do have a $24 credit on here still. So that's kind of fun too. All right. Well, let me go try these on. I'll come back and either I'll insert some pictures or videos. I have no idea how I'm going to do it yet, but I am going to go try them on and I'll let you know what I decide to get. All right. If you guys have any questions or you want to check out the description box, I will put a Stitch Fix code in there. I think right now they're offering $25 credit for anyone that would like to try your first Stitch Fix box. All right. I'll see you back in a little bit. Guess what, everybody? I just received a coupon for you for $75 off of Stitch Fix if you use the link. I'll put it below. It says for 48 hours. So if you want to give Stitch Fix a try and have a $75 credit or however they work it all, instead of the normal $25, go ahead and click the link soon. I think normally if you use that link, it'll be $25. So I don't know when you're watching this, good luck, but hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't mind the mess. I just came in from walking my puppy and I'm still in the clothes I tried on, but I did buy it. I actually was going to send back only one item, but it was actually cheaper for me to keep all 5 because if you keep all 5, you get an additional 25% off. So I ended up keeping all 5. I think out of everything, my favorite are the jeans and this hoodie. So, all right, everybody, thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful night. Ask me any questions below. If I don't know the answer, I'll try to find it for you. Goodbye.